Hello friends, welcome to the series of our economics of power generation, that is our unit number 6. In today's lecture we will see the type of numericals which is based upon economical load sharing principle. So what is exactly this economic load sharing principle is? We will see it through a problem statement. So two power plants A and B have incremental fuel cost given by dFA upon dP, which is equals to 0.06 PA plus 30, and dFB upon dPB equals to 0.07 PB plus 25. So this is an incremental rate for fuel cost. Okay, so in numerator it is a cost and in denominator it is a output. See here, where F is fuel cost in rupees per hour and P is power output in megawatt. Okay, so this is a incremental rate, and suppose these incremental rates are equal for n number of generators or for n number of power plants, then there is a sharing of economical load. Okay, this is nothing but our economical load sharing principle. If the total power supplied by both the units is 500 megawatt, it is nothing but PA plus PB equals to 500 megawatt. Find the economic loading for the two units. Okay, economic loading काढायची म्हणजे काय? What is the amount of power output of A and what is the power output of PB out of this 500 megawatt if they are sharing economic load. Okay, so as for in the numerical, PA plus PB equals to 500 megawatt. As economical loading of plant, the condition will be dFA upon dPA equals to dFP upon dPB. So we have to equal both the incremental rates for the power plant A and power plant B. So write down the equation for incremental rate of power plant A. This is a power plant B, 0.06 PA plus 30, 0.07 PB plus 25. Okay, we have PA plus PB equals to 500 megawatt. With the help of it, we can write PB equals to 500 minus PA. By putting this value into increment rate principle, we will have 0.06 PA plus 30, 0.07 multiplied by 500 minus PA plus 25. On solving this, we will get power output of plant A equals to 230.77 megawatt. By putting the value of power output of power plant A, we can get PB equals to 500 minus PA, which will be our 269.23 megawatt. So the ultimate aim for this type of numericals is comparing incremental rate of, let's say, power plant A equals to incremental rate of power plant B. By making them similar, we can calculate the loading of that particular power plants. Okay, thank you.